Hi there, students. Dreck. Okay, this is an informal way of saying rubbish, something of poor quality. So a lot of the things on sale in this shop are pure dreck. Yeah, it's something that is bad quality. Yeah, the film was pure dreck. It wasn't anything worth watching at all. A lot of the music that they play on the radio is absolute dreck. Yeah, it's trash, it's rubbish. Yeah, this so-called music is absolute dreck. It's trash, it's rubbish, it's of it's no good. It's got no quality whatsoever. Notice this phrase dreck, this is mainly American slang. It's informal. It means something is a load of rubbish. It's really bad. The food in this fast food restaurant is dreck. It's disgusting dreck. It's rubbish. It's something that you could just throw away. It's pure filth. Yeah, it's not something that's worth having. I guess the editor of a publishing house has to read loads and loads and loads of dreck before they actually read anything that's quite good. What they put on television is absolute dreck. Yeah, it's just rubbish. There's nothing good about it. Yeah, there is just pure dreck on TV. Okay, so dreck, worthless, distasteful, nonsensical, rubbish, trash. Yeah, so modern sitcoms are generally sheer dreck. Yeah, they're junk, they're dung, they're rubbish. They're not worth having. Okay, so for formality, I think I'm going to give this a 3 informality. Use it informally. Remember, it's American slang as well. Now, as to origin, the origin is quite interesting. It comes from Yiddish, meaning dreck. The Yiddish word dreck, meaning dirt or crap, which actually comes from Middle High German, dreck, which comes from Proto-Germanic, prekjaz, Proto-Indo-European, trek, Turk, meaning manure, dung, something to dirty. Okay, so I hope this video has not been pure dreck. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Dreck.